was side by side just a minute ago, and now they've spread it out. Not sure which classes these guys are in. But from the looks of the bike, it looks like they been racing pretty hard today. There's our good buddy Gary. Goes our good buddy. Finally decided to switch over to KTM, about time.
It's like my buddy, Fire Rag. There goes our good buddy, Mr. Blind Pig himself. There goes another good buddy of ours. Oh, never mind, that wasn't Craig, but I guess all you guys out here are good buddies. Up with our KTM. Just a shout out to the Wild Earth of Sports on YouTube. A little bit of problem right here. Gotta get it restarted real quick. Oh! Hey!
It's a homocycle!
Yeah! The Honda Cycle! We got a new name, the Honda Cycle!
Homocycle!
Oh, the Homocycle! Well, the Suicycle's been laid to rest.
Come on, the cow's a little tired here.
Got a nice little hold up here for YouTube. I guess we got a new name this year, the Homocycle. Comes some more racing action. He's going to let the faster guy on by.
That's why you should ride KTM. Shh. A little bit of splash action going on here. Thanks to the rain, this has become a creek of its own, as you can see. Getting pretty bad through here. That's what you call a hillbilly bath right there. There goes our good buddy Craig. He got me all wet, but that's part of the game of being a #1 cameraman, is getting all muddy with these guys. And comes another guy. Let's see how big of a splash he'll make for YouTube. Apparently not that well. Missing a couple of our good buddies out here today, Greg and Cody. I'm sure they'll be around in a couple weeks or so. I'd like to give a shout out to Mullet Bob as another rider comes through. Mullet Bob, you need to get your ass back out here on the track. But that's a whole nother story. And we'll be back with more racing action. Not sure who that was, but he just became a YouTube star.